Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
There was an email from Intuit on August 6th that said, hey, as of August 19th, a feature is going to go live. This is a feature that you may not be aware of, you may not want, and I want to let you know about. So it just says, after an invoice is sent to a client, the client will get a survey, like how satisfied were you with the experience. I can't speak to what happens to the results of the survey because I've not received any results. Not just that I haven't received any, but I filled out the survey for other people. And then I've asked them, what happens to my results? Do you get to see anything? Do you get to see the comments? And they don't. So I'm not entirely sure what this does or how it works, but I do know I'm going to turn it off in my books. I know there's instructions. I know you can read them. If you want to read the instructions, go for it. If you're struggling and want to see me do this, let me show you what it looks like. I'm first going to show you in my real QuickBooks, the demo QuickBooks that I usually use for the videos. It doesn't have this setting. I don't understand why. So I'm going to go to the gear. I'm going to go to accounts and settings. On the left-hand side, I'm going to select sales. It says switch without saving. I didn't make any changes, so I'll say, yeah, that's fine. And then down here, if I scroll far enough, post-invoice survey. Collect feedback from your customers. I'm going to click on the pencil, and then I'm going to turn it off. So it says that it's displayed in customers and leads. I've not found it. Let me go ahead and save, and I'll click done. This is what it looks like in my QuickBooks. I'm going to toggle to the sample QuickBooks, which is a totally valid, I'm paying the subscription. It's like any other QuickBooks that I have access to. I want you to see what it looks like in that file, just in case you don't see this feature in your file and you're wondering what's up with that. So this is the other QuickBooks I pay for. I label it, I love brainstorming. I'm just going to go to the gear, go to accounts and settings. I'm going to go to sales. I'm going to say, yep, switch without saving. And now when I scroll to the bottom, there's no message here about post-invoicing survey. Admittedly, my make-believe or demo QuickBooks file doesn't have merchant services. There's no way to take a payment, but I absolutely use it to send invoices. I just happen to send them to one of my email addresses. I do this during training calls and during YouTube videos. So, I mean, maybe the information in here is garbage, but it still looks and acts like any other QuickBooks file. So I'm not entirely sure how Intuit decides when to turn this on and who to turn it on for. I do know it was active before the go live date because it happened for a friend of mine. I'm not saying that it's bad. I'm just saying if this is not something you want, I want you to know that 1, it might be enabled, and 2, how to disable it. As emails come through with things that you might have overlooked just because there are so many emails, I'm going to make a quick video if I think there's something that I can show you guys. If it's helpful, terrific. And if it's not, well, no big deal. You can just breeze on past my video. Okay, thanks.